Hello, my beautiful people. It's a beautiful day. I tell you, the sun is, it's about, I think it's around 4 o'clock in the evening, and it's just wind is blowing and it feels good. But I am getting ready to make up some food for the hummingbirds. My husband told me that they had been coming by, so I'm getting ready to make them up some food and get them some. Here we go. I don't have no shoes on. Okay, I'm finally here. Ooh. Yay! This one is crooked. Hmm. They ready now. They can have them a nice little dinner. It's a little windy out here though, but I guess they'll be okay. Beautiful birds go in and out of that one. The ones that's got that little blue stuff on them. Um, I don't know the name of these birds. I'm gonna have to look into that. And my neighbor just had his birdhouse up, and he's taking it down twice because he said that the wrong birds are trying to live in there. Oh Lord. Anyway, yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in on my channel, Spontaneous Garden. Um, yeah. So have a great rest of the evening, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.